Teletubbies, little white puffy cloud. One day in Teletubby Land, the Teletubbies were watching the clouds. A big fluffy cloud floated by. Big fluffy cloud! A long, thin, wispy cloud floated by. Long, thin, wispy cloud! A little white, puffy cloud floated by. Little white, puffy cloud! And do you know what happened? No! The little white puffy cloud floated indoors. Uh-oh! Little white puffy cloud indoors! The Teletubbies followed the cloud indoors. It was time for Tubby Custard. Tubby Custard! Tubby Custard! But the Teletubbies found it a little inconvenient, having a cloud indoors. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! And Lala spilled her Tubby Custard. Sploosh! Along came the Noo-noo. The Noo-noo tidied up the Tubby Custard. Sucky, sucky, slurp! Thank you, Noo-noo! Then the Noo-noo tidied up the cloud. Thank you, Noo-noo! Sucky, slurp! But all that Tubby Custard and all that cloud got very mixed up inside the Noo-noo. Zoom! The little white puffy cloud had turned pink. Ahoo! Bye-bye, special pink Tubby Custard cloud. Bye-bye! Teletubbies love the special pink Tubby Custard cloud. And Teletubbies love each other very much. Big hug! Big hug! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Teletubby stories, check out my Teletubbies playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks! See you next time!